Okay guys, I give you some demo of this lab 13.2 set out the basic wireless configurations. So according to the lab, right, I just take out all the equipments that I need. I using router 1941, switch 2960, okay, and 3 PC and 1 wireless router. As you can see that I get it from the follow the requirement. I take it out from the packet tracer. Okay, so first thing what I did is I changed the display name, okay, to the name that according, or you want, you can go to your command prompt, type in the host name and then change it accordingly. Okay, the PC name I also change first. Okay, before I do start anything, I rename my display name first, and also host name. Okay, after that I'm trying to join them together according to the requirements also. So for PC1, you connecting to your 11 port 11, okay, PC2 port 18, and then a wireless router port 7, and then router is port 5, okay, to your switch 1. And then after that I go into my PC 123. I enter the IP address accordingly, as you can see from the topology. Okay, so I know that my subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 is because of the you look at the diagram, that is /24. So /24 is referring to the 255.255.255.0. Okay, and also fill in the gateway. The gateway is the sub interface, the IP, so that will be my gateway for my PC1 and PC2 and also my PC3. Okay, so you fill in accordingly for the PC. Okay, then the second step, I follow the lab. Okay, so they ask you to go into a router, okay, configure the gigabit ports, okay, with the IP address, okay, G0/0, okay, then G0/1, you don't need to give the IP address because this is the, you need to create for the sub interface. So you just need to no shut the interface, okay, then create for the G0/1.10, okay, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 40 accordingly based on the requirement. This one should be no problem. All of you should be able to do. Okay, so after you configure for your router already, okay, then you will go and do it for your switches. Okay. Okay, so now you're trying to do your switch configurations also following the lab sheet. Okay, so you just based on the interface 5, okay, is the connecting to a router, which is your trunk port. So configure that is the trunk port. And then for your port 7, port 11, and port 18, okay, which are the access port which connect to your end device or your home router, okay, the wireless router. Then you give them access mode, okay, with the VLAN that is connecting to. Okay, that's all. So not other things. You can use the show VLAN command to check whether you are creating the VLAN or not. You use the show run. Okay, show run is very good tools for you to check, okay, whether you are correctly configured or not. So as you can see that just now router, I also do show run. I double check with my configuration with the given lab sheet, is it the same or not. Okay, then I proceed it. Okay. Okay, so before we try to do configurations of our wireless router, you should do a ping test between your PC1 and PC2 first. See whether they are able to ping each other first. Okay, if they are successfully able to ping these two, means that your sub interface that you created and also your VLAN that you create, okay, all are correct. Okay, because PC1 and PC2, they are in a different VLAN, they're not supposed to ping each other. Then now you can go to your PC config, okay, remove your Ethernet port from your PC tree and then put in the wireless antenna. As you can see that previously I show you how you do that. Then you go to your PC, change your IP address, subnet mask, and also the default gateway according to the topology in the right left side, okay, of your topology. Then now you go into your wireless, okay, remember the internet setup, change it to the DHCP because we don't use that, okay. Then for your router IP, we change to 172.17.40.10. This one is based on the question or the lab that given. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, okay. Then you save it. Then you can see that the start IP addressing you also need to change to .100. Okay, so everything compare is the same. Then you go to your wireless tag, okay, change your SSID to WR_LAN. Okay, no need to follow your register number because now you are using the packet tracer, so your signal coming out won't be interference with other people, okay, or the other people don't know which signal to connect it to. Okay, so after that you go into your wireless security, change it to WPA2 personal, then add the password PA$W0RD. Then remember save your setting. After you set your setting, you go back to your PC, then you go to your PC wireless, okay, then you try to refresh it. You should be able to see your signal. Then you enter the password into it. Then you should be able to see the wireless signal between your wireless router and your PC. Then you do the start ping, okay. So my start ping actually is failed because I go and check my PC tree. Actually that is change it to the DHCP. So please go back to your PC tree. That one very important. Change it to static. Okay, after you change to static, you should be able to ping all of them. Okay, so actually I also feel a bit weird. Okay, by right your PC tree able to ping your PC1 and PC2, but your PC1 and PC2 is not able to ping your PC tree according some the rules of the wireless, okay, the wireless router. Okay, but I'm able to ping. Okay, I'm quite surprised. Even I use the CMD ping also can. I use the packet to passing through the network also can. So if you are using red equipment, definitely it's not able. Okay, so this is how I did, okay, successfully to ping both sides, no problem. Okay, if you have any question, okay, you can text me again, okay, see what I can help you. Okay, I will post this video